Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage. Just trying out my action camera to record this. My Evo DX action camera. Just for a change. Right, picked this little fella up in the charity shop. I've seen them quite often and they've been all sorts of prices. But this time it was only £1 and that's my sort of price range. I've changed the batteries in him already. And he does work. I was looking at this, looks like an LED in the eye there, and I was wondering if it was infrared controlled. Well, it isn't. I did dig out some infrared controllers and it does respond to them, but I've actually dug out the instructions. Looked it up online and I was able to download them. And where are we? Press down on the top of Crabbie's head. Crabbie will travel left or right. Claws will open and close and music will play. That's that button there. He's not switched on at the moment. When he bumps into a wall or another solid object, it will stop and then move in the opposite direction. Okay. This is the important bit. Crabbie can see you through its eye. When it stops and you move close to it, it will see you and run away. Well, I've been trying it and it doesn't seem to do that. Although when I set up the camera, it did seem to work on the table here under these lights. So it's probably a lighting situation. If Crabbie moves across an empty area and no other commands are triggered, Crabbie will scurry across the floor until the song ends. If no action is taken for 30 seconds, Crabbie will go to sleep to save power. To wake him up, press the top again. Crabbie's claws close lightly and do not pose a pinch hazard, because this is for kiddies, isn't it? If fingers or other objects are caught in Crabbie's claws, Crabbie will stop moving and the music will stop until the items are removed. Always turn the unit off when not in use to conserve battery power. So I will go and demonstrate what I found, because I was playing with these before I read the instructions and it does respond to them. And then I tried a pointer and it sort of responds to them too. So we'll go over to where it's brighter and try it out. In fact, just before we do that, I'll just switch it on. Right, that's what he does. But I did find, because of these lights, can I do this? Oh, it's not going to do it now. It was actually reacting simply because I was covering the lights. Right, well, we won't bother with that bit because it's been intermittent. Right, we'll see if we can get him to respond in this lighting. He's supposed to run away if you move in front of him, and he doesn't seem to do that. He's not responding to the infrared either at the moment. Okay, let's start him off again. Yes, he's responding to the I'm sure he's not supposed to respond to the pointer, but clearly he does. back over there where we can see you. Infrared. It's not going to respond to that now. It was earlier. But that was during daylight. So I think it's the different lighting we've got in here is causing a problem. Or maybe we got to set him off again. Yeah. So I don't know whether it's working the way it should or not, but from my point of view, that's quite fun that we can do that. Oh, it goes into shutdown mode though, doesn't it? So I'm sure this isn't what it's supposed to be doing, but I like it. So that's what I bought in the charity shop. And so I don't think it's working right. Those instructions said something like it sees you move close. But that's doing nothing. But my laser pointer does. So I'm happy with that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.